Guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about aggregator transformation in SQL Server Integration Service (SSIS). So, with the help of this aggregator transformation, so it is used to perform aggregate function on a group in a dataset. So, aggregate functions such as count, string, sum, average, minimum, and maximum, etc. So, let's understand with the example. So, here going to use the source table escort.emp and this is the record inside there. So you can see DPT number or this is scripted. So we can make that in the group by. So let's understand with the example. So first going to create one new package and let's give their package name aggregate transformation. So this here package. So first going to use their data flow task and data flow task that's come there. Now let's take this source. So edu.net source, double click there. Let's click on new. So already have this source. Let's use their local atom and now using this table escort.emp. Here this column that's percent there and now you can see the record. This record is there. Okay, so this record. Now thereafter let's close and going to use their aggregate transformation. Drag inside this, stabilize the link first. Now double click there. Here you can see this come. So input column. So you can use there this input column. Let's use the repeat number and output alias repeat number and operation, what exact this operation you want to do. So you can do here group by count or count string sum average this all. So let's make that group by and group by. Thereafter let's use there and thereafter going to use multicast and stabilizing the link. Thereafter save this. Now go on this pipeline there, data viewer and enable data viewer. Click on OK. And now on this place going to use there so let's use this data viewer and here enable the data viewer. After that let's save this and now start the task. So when you start the task here, you can see 14 rows is there. And now let's click on this close. And here you can see 3 rows that's come there. So what exactly happening this? So making this 10. So you can see this 10. Make that in one group, 20 one group and 13 one group. Okay. Now thereafter, let's click on this close. So there. After you can use any aggregate function. So counting there. So thereafter you can see this all that's come there. And now thereafter let's use this SAR column. So SAR column and here output alias then operation. What operation you wanna do? So group by that's make there. Let's use sum of SAR on this. So here this place. Let's make that order by DPT number. So 10 in make one group, 20 make one group, 30 make that another group. After that here this or this here or add this all salary. So now thereafter save that and now start the task. So 10 some salary that display there. So this is the record 14 and now here you can see this value is displaying there. So what exactly happening if you get all the terms, if you get here I've given another column cell but it's not displaying. So what you need to do, so let's first delete this aggregate and now you need to take the new aggregate transformation and now let's use there. So from this place you can make that DPT number. So what operation you want to do, the same thing, making group by and now let's use their cell and cell here some salary wanna display. So group by making some salary. Now stabilize the link and save the data flow. Now you can see this come there. Okay, there is another thing we need to enable to get the output. We need to make that data viewer enable so that you can get the output there. So now let's start the task. Here you can see 14 that's come there and 3 rows that's applied. The sum salary of this or DPD 10, if you add 10, the value that's come there 8750 420, or if you add this, so if you add this salary, then the value that come there 10875 139400 that's come there. Now after that, here you have for different option or for aggregate, you can use there some average salary you can calculate. So let's start the task. So this here displaying the 10 DPD 10 average salary, 20 average salary and 13 average salary. After that, let's stop this. And now the next is let's use their aggregate average that's done here. Let's use minimum. And now start the task. So here minimum salary of 10 is now 1300. You can compare 1300 is the minimum salary of this 10, and in this 20 minimum salary is 800, and in this 30, so 30 here you can see this the 30, and minimum salary you can see 950. So that here you can see the minimum salary that's displaying there. So getting the correct output, or if you want to get here the max salary, you can also do there. So this for max salary. So this ready-made aggregate function that's all available, you can utilize inside there. Here you can see this max salary that's displaying there. And thereafter, the next thing is this aggregate function. Here output alias, if you want, then here you can see this input that's come there. Let's give max underscore sal. So this output alias that's displayed there. So name should be meaningful. So here you can see max salary that's displaying there. So column name that's changed. So according to the requirement, then you can give your meaningful column name. After that, here let's use. So here you can see count and count string. Let's count. So counting here. So counting not salary, I'm going to count there. So let's delete, and now counting the DPD number. So this here count. So simply that count CNT DPD number. So this count total DPD number. So here you can see total is 14. If you see there, or total is 14 rows, so that 14. So this DPD number that's count there. If you want to count here DPD number only unique values, so 10, 20, 30, you can also use that. So here going to use this count distinct function is there. So you can use the operation count distinct. Count underscore giving the name DST. So let's save that, and now start the task. So this display here you can see 3. So total is 14, but here 3 that's displaying. So only one rows is there because here this is counting distinct value. So 10 one time, 20 one time, 13 one time. So 10, 20 and 30 that's count there. So only distinct value that's displaying there. So this is how we can use this important aggregate function inside the SSIS. Okay. And there are so many things about this here on a specified. If you want, then you can give low, high, medium, and comparison flag you can do there. So this ignore case, or that means if you are going to use upper and lower case, then you can, by checking this will ignore. So character that ignore, non-spacing. Okay. And this here advanced part is there. So you can see this is the advanced part. You can add this group by column you can make. So according to requirement you can use. So this is how we can use aggregate transformation in SSIS. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.